Alright, so we're back. It's been a while. It's been a little bit of a lack of content, lack of stuff for me to work on. But as you can see, we're out here in the woods. Is Dylan has managed to score a deal. He has a 67 Plymouth Barracuda behind the camera here that we are pulling out of the weeds. It's alright, no serious rust, just a little surface rust. It's got a slant 6 in it. Right now we're pumping up the tires. And we're going to see if it'll hold air and get on this trailer. Is it taking it?
It's all rolled over.
It's not good. Well, I was wondering why it was so hard to come out. It's good foot. The last time this unit was roadworthy, 1995. All right, so we got it home. Went ahead and bought a battery for it. As you can see, these ends are a little messed up. We didn't grab any to replace them, which we will have to go back for. But we're gonna see if we can get any power through this thing real quick, like the way it is, before we run back to the store. And if it'll turn over, because we still haven't seen if it'll turn over or not. No alternator, no belt, no nothing for me to turn on. So we have to use the starter. So we're going to take this off, we're going to spray a little starting fluid in it, if it'll turn over, and see if it'll crank and run. Alright, so got the battery in. We're going to see if it'll turn over. Turns over, I'm going to spray it. Whenever you're ready, Dylan.
I didn't know you were wanting to start it. The wires aren't plugged up. It's these two.
Nice! Look at that doodad right there. That is just mechanical excellence.
I can do that.
Show us how it's done, Dylan.
Oh yeah, I didn't go to tech school for electronics for nothing.
Don't say that and then that's not the start.
It blows up.
Might let the smoke out.
Alright, we ready?
Yep, I'm ready now.
Oh no.
What happened?
It was turning over and it stopped turning over.
With the key? Hold
That
it.
sounded abrupt.
Try it now. Try it now. It's the contacts in that wire. They're shocking me.
Is it?
Yeah. Come play with it, Dylan. On camera, come play with it. You like that? You like that terminology? What are you talking about?
Oatmeal milk and oatmeal milk.
Go try it again.
Oatmeal milk and oatmeal eel.
We're going to have to cut them and twist them.
What did y'all say?
Are the lights working? No?
But why is
Hold up.
light?
We're doing sketchy things. The ignition switch is kind of not working. So, we got Dylan with some pliers, me with some ether. We're gonna do it.
I'm gonna pray a little.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hold up. Hold. One more time. She's gonna run.
Oh yeah.
Let's see if we can get some gas in it. I can't wait to see how creepy that face looked.
This?
No, never mind. I was like, see if we can get some gas in it. What?
Just
Are you just videoing the pin?
no, no words.
Just the pin?
Did you get a picture?
So we've run into a problem here. You see this little ball bearing right here? We have no idea where it goes. Kind of just fell out. Dylan, where do you think it goes?
in a circle spot somewhere.
Great analysis. We're gonna YouTube that, see if we can figure it out. Somebody was using this jug here as the fuel tank before we got the car. So we looked down in it and there was some stuff kind of looked like oil in it, but it wasn't exactly oil. So we're gonna clean out and see what was in it.
Mm-hmm. You see that big chunk?
What do you think about that, Dylan?
It's nice. The carb was clean. I don't understand.
Yeah, the carb is almost magnificent. Look at this.
That's the third chunk that I've gotten out of it, of this jug.
I mean, this plate isn't very clean, but everything else is pretty good. Also, we figured out where the ball goes. It goes right down there in the bottom of that hole. So we're gonna put it all back together. We're gonna put that doodad on that doodad, put them back over there. We're gonna silicone this gap right here. Pray it don't leak. We should have a running Barracuda here in a few minutes. Yeah. Alright, so we tried to start it again off camera. Didn't work. We are on our way to the parts store to hurt Dylan's feelings. Probably, hopefully, another $100 to $200 more. We've got to go get a coil, some wires, and a cap if they've got it, because we are no longer getting any spark. I think we caught it on camera earlier when it tried to start, but it is no longer doing that, which is kind of normal when you're messing with something that ain't ran since 1995. We're gonna go to the parts store. We're gonna see how much it's gonna cost. We're gonna get Dylan's reaction to the amount, if they'll let us, which they love me here, so we'll see. Somebody didn't make it home. Woo!
I don't want that. No. No. I'm gonna get a lawnmower battery, a lawnmower coil. No.
Dylan, why are you torturing this man?
Listen, I want the cheapest prices possible.
Check this one.
He is waiting for $5 difference. Does it feel worth $5 more?
Hell no.
There it is.
No, it's not. Yeah.
Dylan ended up with the $46 one. I can't wait to see this total. Can you, Dylan?
I can wait a long time. Is there anything else? I got you, Shug. I should put my...
Dylan, what did you say about this price? What was it going to be?
Ain't gonna be no thing.
122.
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, Dylan. Ain't gonna be no thing. Yep. Yeah. Smoking a little bit. Ready, Dylan?
Yeah.
It's clearing up.
It's rich, real rich.
Yeah. Look. Put it in reverse. He's fine. He's bound up. Huh? Put it in reverse. I don't know. Yeah.
Hey!
Hey, just trying. We got motion, twin. All right, so we got everything cleaned up. The spark plugs that were in it looked horrendous, terrible. One was all gunked up. So we went ahead and swapped those. And then
They're real rich. Real rich.
yeah, real rich and real gunky. I don't know how much he got on video of it revving, but it really started to clear up after we started giving her some beans. And I had no coolant in it.
Couple
Yeah, just a little Italian tune up, like but we got it running. We did put it in gear. Did you catch that?
Yeah, I got it down.
Okay. We've got to get some tires for it. We got to get definitely a new master cylinder for it. That brake pedal is locked up. I didn't want to push on it. Then we should be able to get it off the trailer safely.
Then we gotta diag the cooling system and get the interior cleaned up.
Yeah, we've got a whole nother car we have interior in and good panels on. That'll probably be a third video, but the next video is probably going to be us getting it driving.
All the maintenance, get it roadworthy.
Yeah, where we can move it around the yard and take it down the road.
Maybe pull a one-wheel peel.
If that thing spins a tire, it'll be a miracle. Thing makes no horsepower, but we may see if we can get 60.
Hey, it's a super 225. It ain't no.
Yeah, it's a Super 6, baby.
Ain't no slouch.
We'll see. We're gonna see what happens in the next video.